Good morning, guys.
It's skin for me. Okay, let's see the skin check. So I didn't even put sunscreen.
I have, but it's not thing.
It's not what?
It's waterproof, so it has a terrible
White
cast.
cast.
So it
Doesn't
took
look
long.
Wait,
Yeah. I put this on at 6 something. It is now 8. I should be putting more on and I can't because.
Tell them how you feel about the vehicle.
I mean, this is the first time I'm in a Noah, but it's good.
What did Mata or Moto? I could have swear it was a Noah, but you round like a Voxy. You know that
We shall
lyrics?
Google.
Okay.
We shall. What song is that?
Number plate 22. Yabba dabba do. Gas it up.
Overtake, bumper rolling with no number plate.
Overtake, bumper rolling with no number plate. Facts. This morning they had no number plates on the vehicle.
But we have one now and we're on our way. Don't let Jamil make you laugh at us. That's his goal. Okay, on our way first, Steffi.
Yes. I thought it was Mishma, but Steffi first. And then, yeah.
Cycle.
So, yeah. Steffi's here. Okay, you need to plug your. Tell them how to spell it.
My channel is at SM Pink.
Does it have 2 eyes?
No, 1 eye.
You didn't remember?
SM Pink, like regular pink.
Okay, so the gang is here. So we have Javan, Toiler, Steffi, Mishma, and Breno in the back. And you already saw pedals.
So now your hair real nice, girl.
There's our Filipino friend. They're in the green.
I'm mixing a lot of things right now.
With Sprite. So we are a little late. Well, not a little late. We're supposed to be there only by 7 and it's 10. So 3 hours late, but you know.
But
okay.
I expected that. I said so. Just saying.
9.
Yeah, because
It's just for friends, right?
this group of friends we don't do early. So we stopped to get cassava. To cassava. What are they putting in cassava? Got plus cassava right now. If you're visiting, check them out on email. I guess you could order from there. But we are going to be making our own. So this is what they make. I guess they grind it in, but they cook it and stuff. But I don't think they're giving us a show today.
Ginger.
No, one is for my mama.
Ginger cassava. I never eat that shit like that. What you got?
I got a saltfish.
Saltfish. The saltfish good? The saltfish tastes nice.
I'm just cinnamon really. You like that?
A little spice, you know?
Yeah. I don't eat saltfish. You sure? That's for, anyway, I want cinnamon. I don't eat saltfish, you know that. Can I get a cinnamon one, please?
Yeah.
So did that sample size? Is that what you want?
Don't oversee
Which cassavas did you get?
I got cinnamon and saltfish, and the saltfish is really good. I've never had it, but I tasted it and
Yeah, I think it's really good.
it's like something I could eat all day.
I imagine what I could put inside of it
Okay.
to dip in. That a fish broth, a fish. It's the shit for me, it's the vibe tribe for me. I honestly just want to drink rum, and we have lots of it inside the vehicle. Lots, okay?
This is how you get the finger on top of the pizza. You just point and Jamil is going to locate the place.
I want to correct, but you see the last time it was
Exactly, you just
I
can't
like
make it
most
up.
all these decorations.
Are you being souls?
We're at the Sulphur Springs.
That's the phone, right?
Breno, I'm about to go be youthful again, man. It's light though. Okay, I'm gonna untie.
You have to swallow twice and throw it over your shoulder 3 times.
Swallow? But I'll swallow. How many times swallow? I'll swallow 4 times and put it over my shoulder.
Okay, move that.
Don't do that. Yeah, don't do that.
Okay, let's go.
My island is gorgeous. This is the Sulphur Springs Hot Baths. It feels great. When I come out of here, my skin is about to be on a different level. Yeah, this is beautiful. So I just washed off the stuff. Look at my skin. Look at this glow. Just washed off. And these pools up here, I think it gets hotter as you go down. And then there's this one. So as it goes down, of course, I think it gets cooler. Don't quote me, but I think that's what the principle of the different pools and the different levels are. So yeah, I'm just trying to wash off and just enjoy this. Okay.
I've known to try from.
She likes where she's at.
They should dip for me.
We just finished our untying session in the hot springs. The volcanic water, and now we're going to get lunch. It was the time now, y'all.
2:21.
It's 2:21, so we had good time because we're going to finish eat by 4, then go in the waterfall and be up by 7. You know, Saturday.
Yeah, and no curfew till 11 p.m.
Oh yeah, curfew has lifted from yesterday from 9 to 11 p.m. So we outside. So Viewford, show me. I'll pull up in your city, wherever you at. Hey, what's up? Our food from, I don't know what the name of this place is, Michael's, because we were supposed to be at Pier 29 and they didn't have any space for us, so we had to go to another restaurant. So we were getting pasta, pizza, pasta and pizza. So yeah, that's one of our stuff for me. So, and then we have to go to the waterfall after this. Hopefully we have time. Yeah, so the gang is here. Ready, hungry, very hungry.
Hungriest.
Hungriest.
I'm not hungry, but I can eat. Hungry dog.
Not everybody's food came, but
The rice coming out?
you know, we have nothing, and pastas, nothing. But later would be greater. We go to a restaurant. We're starting at the restaurant, okay, a restaurant, and they want to get selling us. I'll leave it there. They try and get selling us. Go to another place, the food not good. The pizza is like bread's and the goats running in the road. Go to a waterfall, the lady wants. The lady clap, they want to tell us.
You want to charge me per minute?
Okay, how long you're staying inside of there?
How many minutes?
How many minutes? Because the point is, we were supposed to close at 3 o'clock. What's the time, guys? Time check? 4 o'clock. She sit down outside. She waiting for the people to leave.
2 more hours.
And she thought that could have been us. We turn right the fuck back around and go back to our business. We'll go Pigeon Point Beach and wet ourselves with cups and coconuts. It's okay, we ain't need no waterfall. Time to go back up the road, man. But it was nice to Fred. It was nice. Thanks for having us. It's time for the waterfall. It's a good trek in. Well, the second waterfall. This time they told us it closes at 5:30, and they were nice about it. So we're going to this one. If this one is what? Peter Falls. Yeah, so Peter Falls. If you're gonna be coming to Saint Lucia, check out the Peter Falls. If I make it to the Peter Falls, because the yeah. Alright, we're almost there. I heard a waterfall. So, got to a waterfall, the Peter Waterfall. It's just really, right? There's different pools and everybody's here.
You see why this Rasta is my stress? The Rasta tell us go ahead. To rhyme, the lady tell me, the point is. All I ask is what the price is.
We're on the mountain. And I'm about to go. So I'm going to put my phone away and I'm about to go and go on the waterfall. Okay guys, so we're done for the day. We're just heading back up the highway. We just finished the last water. Where am I going?
Down.
There?
Yeah.
We just finished the last waterfall. It was pretty good. Check out my Instagram for the pictures and I'm going to see on there at Vibe, which is my name, so makes sense. But yeah, thank you for checking this out. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and leave a comment. See you in Saint Lucia if you ever plan to visit. Okay, so I'm gonna close out. You guys will see that.